Hey friends, today put in a little corner shelf here. I started a computer desk, so I measured out this little area and got a 2-foot wide board cut to 35 inches. Tried to find some studs here to get my angle brackets locked in. I'm going to lay this on top there. Okay, kind of a tight fit, but we got it to go in there. And let's check out the level here. About perfect there. Pretty close to being right on, so pretty happy with that. Alright, now I'm just going to take some screws and fasten in the bottom of the brackets there too to keep this thing from moving anywhere. Okay, there we go. I had to actually lower it a little bit because I had it too high. That's why I always measure twice. Anyways, so I attached this underneath with some shorter screws. I pre-drilled the pilot holes so I wouldn't strip the wood and made sure I didn't go up through there too much so to go through. But nice and sturdy 4L brackets to hold it in. I didn't put one over there in that corner because it wouldn't let me, so it's kind of offset, but I think it's good. Probably drill a hole back in the corner there and put one of those wire plugs so I can have the wires coming up through the bottom there. Okay, I'll be showing you guys that and we'll be back. Okay, so did some sheetrock anchors here. These are rated for like 75 pounds or 50 pounds, whichever ones. And just pre-drilled the holes, and I went back through and screwed those into the sheetrock. Found a couple studs as well. This is going to go on top right here. And that's going to hold the CPU right on that, just like that. So we'll screw this down and call it good. Alright, so here's the shelf. I think it turned out okay. For the front, I just put a little bit of that quarter round molding, and this is the vinyl, and just kind of use some glue and some finishing nails to attach that to the end there. So now we have a little computer work area station here for gaming. So it turned out pretty good. That little shelf down there on the bottom for the CPU. And did the same thing with that, the little molding around the edges there. So thanks for watching, my friends.